What's going on, guys? Chad here from Marinemax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on this beautiful 17 Montauk by Boston Whaler. This has the full hull blue color as well as navy blue decal on the side, and you actually match that with the blue bimini top, a white rub railing, and the white tow arch. Now meet me in the boat for the walkthrough video. Now that we're inside the 17 Montauk, I'm going to start off by kind of talking about the lifestyle, maybe who would purchase the boat, and how you can use it. So a boat like this is for someone who appreciates quality and they are maybe new to boating, maybe they've owned whalers in the past, maybe they want a smaller boat for the intercoastal and going to the sandbars. There's a lot of people who would be looking for a boat like this. Now you can also do towing with it. You have the tow arch here, so you can do tubing. You can take this boat fishing. Like I said, the sandbar, or even if you just want to do some pleasure boating and do some sunset cruises, there's many ways you can use this boat. Now going into the options that are on this particular boat, you do have this tow arch I pointed out before in white. You have a 115 Mercury outboard engine. You have dual seats in the back here with plug-in backrest, so these are removable. It's going to give you two more comfortable seats, as well as the high railing throughout the boat. This serves as a handle for people to hold onto. Maybe you're sitting back here, it's another handle to hold onto. It gives you a little bit more of a sense of security on the boat. Now, moving forward, we have this bench seat here that has 3 positions where you can just lift it up, easily slide it, lock it back in place. There's a latch on the aft side of this where you undo it, lift it up, and you have storage down there. You can also option to make that into a live bait well. Moving forward to the console, this boat has all electronics this boat can have. You have your Simrad electronics, your JL audio control here, as well as your Simrad VHF. Now you have 3 cup holders at the console here, 2 forward electronics, as well as 1 by the throttle here. You have your Ritchie compass, as well as another grab handle that goes around the console. Now, another thing I like to point out here is that this boat has the teak package. You're going to get these 2 pieces of teak on port and starboard, as well as a piece of teak on the swim platform in the back port side here. Now, this boat's also optioned with the bimini top. This is in the resting position where it's stored away. We have a cover on here as well. So you can unzip this cover, open it up. This one's optioned navy blue. You're going to get sun coverage from right about where it is now to covering almost the whole entire back of the boat here, just about where the clips are. This boat's also equipped with the fishing package. With the fishing package, you're going to gain this extra seat here with the cushion, this igloo cooler, 4 rod holders here, as well as a little tackage storage center here on the starboard side. Now, you also have the forward cushions here. Underneath these cushions is actually more storage. This also has the forward cleat, high bow railing up in the front. Again, just more railing to grab onto, a little bit more sense of security here. If you have some smaller kids up in the front, that would be a great thing for them to hold on to. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video on the 17 Montauk. Come see us today at Marinemax Jupiter.